Why some of we Jamaican then in the United States I treat your own Jamaican brother and sister them like animal? Why? Just because some of we sort out ourselves and get to green card and who become citizen. I want to see some other people out of status and start look down upon them.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like them a Yankee. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now, my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. And that Jamaican said, I'm frightened.
Hello family, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Brian Reaction. So I hope you guys are all good. So if you're coming across any of my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys for the love and support. So guys, in today's video, there's something that is happening between Jamaicans at home and Jamaicans abroad. I don't know what specific word I should use to describe this, if it is envy or hate. I don't know which word I can use on this. It seems Jamaicans abroad and Jamaicans at home are having something in common. I want you guys to watch this video and I'll be back with a few comments.
Yes, my brethren and friend, bless upon yourself. You know what I want to talk about? I don't know why Jamaican people have so much problem with we who live in America. I don't know. I don't know if a bad mind or a grudgeful. I don't know why them talk that way there. Somebody put man on my page and say, when you go here, a basement and live in America, when you come to Jamaica, come to show off. What is wrong with basement in America? What is wrong in a basement in America? Some man live in a basement in America, I live better. A man live in a 3-story in Jamaica. People live in a basement in America and then one place, 3 floor, second and first and second floor and the basement, and then fix up basement and live in there and rent the 2 floor. Me a friend where one house will live in a basement. And when you go in a basement, the first thing you see is a 80 inches TV. The man have all in one bar down there. So come and cook have a drink. A bar, we got a bar in the basement, 2 bedroom, big living room. So we do not talk, we do not talk. You see what I'm saying? Missy Dana make us the people of Jamaica when Dana going to ghetto, you see condition where some people live in a ghetto, a Jamaica, not even hug. Supposed to live like that. I'm say a brother in a Trenton near Kino. I walk and fix up some places some people live in. It's like a toilet. You see what I'm saying? So, we don't talk about basement and I try to bring we down and talk all kind of things about America. I have nothing bad to say about America. America treat me and my family well. I have nothing bad to say about America. I don't go back in a slavery. I don't go back in a slavery past that. And we not forgot we were slave. But at the same time, we not going to dwell upon that. We have to move on. You see what I'm saying? And let me tell you something, man. America people not frightened. Jamaicans who live in America, we're not frightened because we know life and we see things. My nephew come to America. And my nephew said to me, say, Uncle, how are rich people in America? I said, why you ask me that? He said, I don't understand because I say people live up in a year there. 3-4 story and then come down and start them Benz and gone and the man live in a basement that drive Benz too. You see what I say? Some man live in a basement, America, and him have him 2024. Benz park outside. And he live in a basement. And he have a brand new Benz park out the door there. You see what I say? So, people are frightened. And when me come and talk about when we come to Jamaica, we come for show off. Me not come to Jamaica for show off. And from me left Jamaica until this day, I've never been to nowhere else. I go on vacation almost every year, and it's Jamaica. When I come to Jamaica, I come to Jamaica to spend my money in our country and help out my friends them and family. I not much family, but who me have, then glad for see me because I'm not going to look nothing from them. I give them things. You see what I'm saying? So what I talk about, man, a stupidness I talk about. And it sound like a bad mind in it. I not nothing for sure for them. When I left Jamaica, me and my daughter in high school and I 1 inch left for she could drop out of school. Because things get so bad and so rough down there with me. And God help me for come here, sir. And my daughter come here, sir. And got high school and got college and got university. And have a nice job. My son come here, little baby boy, 7-year-old. My son, a sergeant in the U.S. Army, respectable sergeant. Trust me upon that. America is the land of opportunity and don't make nobody fool you. And me now, cause America, if America do you something, you know, do me nothing. Always do me and do good for me. Cause I'm saying, if me feel sick right now, me and you talking, me feel sick, me take up my phone and call the ambulance. The next 5 minutes there. You know what I'm saying? Which man can call ambulance at Jamaica? My friend come to Jamaica and his wife take sick down there. And him have to call a private ambulance. It cost him thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars for carrying wife from Wachi. A Wachi thing happened and I forget ambulance to carry wife. And this how got Kingston. It cost him thousands of dollars. You see what I'm saying? So I can't go and talk. But me know say America is the land of opportunity and everybody want to come here. And most rich people when me know at Jamaica, when me come here, all of them pick the America. And then still they here. Why they are here? Because things rough and because things bad. I don't think so. I think they are here because of the opportunity. One love.
Why some of we Jamaican then in the United States I treat your own Jamaican brother and sister them like animal? Why? Just because some of we sort out ourselves and get to green card and who become citizen. I want to see some other people out of status and start look down upon them. It's like some of we forget say we not born in the United States. It's like we forget say Jamaica we born. Why we just stay here and treat with others like that? You put up somebody in your house and because him fry one egg out of the fridge and don't tell him. You tell him to leave. Why? Why all of a sudden when you make undocumented people live with you, all of a sudden they have to clean your bathroom every morning? They have to wash your dirty clothes them every week? Just because you know say the people them not no papers? Some want to make the people them work for you. I want to pay the people them $7 an hour. Just because you know them not no papers and not no documents. Why? When since we start live like this in the United States, why we can't show each other the love and show each other how to become somebody great? Why only thing we are doing in the United States is fight each other? The same crab in a barrel mentality we carry from Jamaica and carry it in the United States. Why? Sometimes someone who in the United States and don't know own Jamaican brother and sister them wickedness. You never stop and looking at the mirror and look on yourself yet. I remember say you was once in that position too. Remember say you did overstay your visa too. Remember say you was undocumented too. And you know the trauma where you go through when you're undocumented. So why when you see somebody else who is undocumented you can't help them? Bro, sometimes we need to look in at ourselves in the United States, bro. We need to start treat each other good, bro. John, no dog, it's sad, bro.
Good morning and good afternoon. Greetings to my people. Well, looky here, children, Jed. Now, Jamaicans leave Jamaica and migrate and live all over the world. See? There are many Jamaicans that migrate and live all over the world. America, England, Canada, Spain, Germany, Italy, all Dubai. See? And some of them work hard, come back and build up their things. Some even get deported from some places still. You know what I mean? By whatever trouble they get into. But people, I just realized this, that, you see, the Jamaicans, them in America, we get talked about the worst by Jamaicans in a Jamaica. Really check it out. Me really never see nobody on the media cussing Jamaicans who live in England or Canada or Spain or them sitting there. But you see that the Jamaicans them live in America. Oh, look how long we in America and this and that. I want to somehow this, I want to jealous when I see people come back home and this and that, and look how long and this, I want to get old, and people, you know, something really never hear them cuss nobody from Canada like that. Oh, look how long we in Canada or something. Look how long we in England or something. And you know, for me, a youth, I grew up and hear people leave Jamaica and go to England. We know they ain't coming back. We know that. Ever since when a man leave and go to England, we know we ain't going to see them again. And we never hear nobody accuss them like, look how long them in England, man. Look how long them money they in England. And this and that, and I go grow old in England. But you see, we in America, the Jamaicans, them in America, we get talked about like a dog shit. For real, more than any other Jamaicans in any other country. It's just, why the blood clot we do not so bad, man? We get talked about like a dog shit. Believe me, you come here, I don't know, it's like, I don't know. People expect you just supposed to, the minute you come off a plane, you're supposed to just rich and come back to Jamaica. You're not supposed to be up here now a long time. If it's Canada, it's okay. England, okay. But America, you're supposed to just come here and get rich quick and fast and come back and build up and, you know what I'm saying, and flossing. So when you be here, like I said, many people come here to America. They come here to live. But it seems like it's a problem to every Jamaican in a Jamaica once you're in America a few years. Oh, look how long them money up America, man. And they who them are this and them that. And, you know what I mean? Them not have nothing a yard and look how long them there. And, but you know, I hear them talk about the Canadian or the English man them or the man them who live in Spain or Italy. Yeah, I'm saying, and or them places. It's just the Jamaican them in America. Believe me. They talk about us like a dog shit. Me don't know why more than any other country. It's like, me don't know, I don't know. But it's real, man. Think about it. You always hear them talk about the Jamaican them in America, the Jamaican them in America, the Jamaican them in America. Why we do so bad, brethren? And enough I want to talk about enough Jamaican, enough this and that, and enough that's how long I can't come back on. Do you know that there are more Jamaicans in a Jamaica who want to come to foreign, to come to America, more than the Jamaicans them in America who want to come back? Know that. So even though when you talk about us, you still want to come up here. And when you come up here now, I go spend a long time too. There's enough man that like talk on some family that laugh after me when me here 16 years. Look how long I'm in America, man. And this month, February, are 21 years them here. 21. And they was laughing at me when I was here 16 years before they came here. And they came here and America closing and they asked, this very month in February is 21 straight years they've been here. Probably haven't been back in Jamaica in over 10 years. So you see what can happen? You never know. So leave us alone, man. You know what I mean? It's a life we have to live. Some of us, you know, the things they tell us, it's not really what happens. So we have to, you know what I mean, gear up, kick in another notch to get with the program. Because it's not really a bed of roses. I just threw me there a long time. You know what I'm saying? I set the foundation from me come. I never play. You know what I mean? Even though, like I said, things could have been way better for me. Reading at this age right now in my life, I should have been in Jamaica living big. But when me tell us, me keep saying it, that I don't think nobody in Jamaica have a worse family more than me. My family, believe me, then deserve a Grammy for be the worst family in Jamaica, man. Because what they do to me, people, I'm telling you, God no. Me don't know how me still have a sane mind. Because them, God damn. For real, me never, you never expect certain things on some people and then give it to you in a way where you never see this coming. And that happened to me, people. Shock of the century. Believe me. So, you know what I mean? And then end up getting laughed at. Look how long you been in America. Because me get robbed by my family them in Jamaica. That's why I'm there so long. See? And I realize said, many people, that's why them there so long too. You know how much people wanna come back and build up. But they know they have some family member in Jamaica. Where as soon as them build up, as soon as them come down there and build up and finish, them go unalive them for them thing. At that I go on me that a lady and her daughter get shot up the other day. The lady just come from America or foreign somewhere and her daughter come pick her. People, I'm telling you. So right now, for enough man, many people don't want to come back. Because they know so they have some bad mind and jealous family down there. And as soon as they finish build up, they know what's going to happen. They're going to take it. Or they're going to want it because of jealousy. Believe me, jealousy kill Jamaicans, I'm telling you. In Jamaica. It is bad. Especially when we come out foreign. And we try to build back and them down and have it. Yo, man. You don't even understand. The whole time these people is just thinking how to get you. So that's why some people don't want to come back. It's not like they can't come back and you're there foreign so long. It's reality. See what happened. You can't tell nobody to come to Jamaica right now. You can't. You have to just move stealth. For real, because you can't trust nobody, man. Because like the minute you come here, whatever you do is for them. You know what I'm saying? If you up here and make money and not send it back to you, it's a problem. And if you send it to them, they're ungrateful, not even appreciate it. And when you stop sending it to them, it's a problem. But what I'm saying is we American, man. We Jamaican in America. We get talked about more than all the rest of countries. Jamaicans them in the rest of the country. It's just we Americans seems to, if you come to America and make it in 1 year, you are the most worthless Jamaican ever. If you come to America from Jamaica, and in 1 year, if you don't come back to Jamaica and build up big house and drive big car, you're worthless. That's how Jamaicans see it. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, I don't know. Oh, look here, children. It's Jed. J-E-D. You know. Oh.
You may talk, don't move. If you live in this country and you're from Jamaica, I'm telling you, may I beg you, stay away from Jamaican people. I'm Jamaican, I'm proud to be Jamaican, but I'm very honest and I'm going to speak the truth at all times. Now, if you come in this country and you're around Jamaican people 9 out of 10 times and they see that you're striving, them know why you strive more than them. They have an issue with the fact that you will come here and do better than them in a shorter space of time, right? That's one. Two, if they introduce them to your partner, best believe, just be prepared that they might try to see if them can lay up with the person. It's just the truth. I cannot pretend I'm going to be honest. Now, a lot of people from our culture are good people. But if we're going to be honest in this country, nobody fight against each other like Jamaican people. We always fight against each other. We don't want the other one to thrive. Like, if me have a link, I mean, what's me can help you. Why me not go share the link with you? Me not understand it. Not take nothing from me. Me know you're in a situation. Why me not go share the link with you to make better yourself? Them will know you're struggling. Them know them have a link. And instead of introducing you to the link, them try to say, alright, them don't want to make you talk to the person. Them want to be the middle person. And then them hike up the price so that them can benefit off of you. If you never know, say that's being evil and wicked, it is. That's being wicked and selfish because you have that link open door for you, but at the same time, you don't want other people to thrive. And that's horrible. Just like, for example, them will know you will get a job for them, right? You work at one company, you probably get a supervisor or a manager position. And you bring them, you get a position for them. You look out for them and know them in a situation now. And the same pagan them would have come at the company where you work and turn the people them against you, get you all fired from the job. Come all in your house and walk up your pan, all type of stuff. We need to be honest when it comes to our people. Mind you, people are people, I get it. But I'm Jamaican and I can speak on my culture. Them are some of the wickedest demons them on earth, and it's just the truth. How is it that me can't say, alright then, me I look out for you? You find out say some of them family and a mash up family. Them want to kill you for land. You there foreign, them would have say, oh, you there foreign. Where you want to come back a yard. Mind you work and build your place, you know. And family want to move in your house, you know. No believe say you're supposed to have nothing, you know. When you check the track records in our culture as Jamaicans, and I'm talking to my Jamaican people, a lot of the people that tend to get killed, that live here and go back, it has to do with family land and stuff like that. That has always been the case. It's always envy. Them not believe say you're supposed to thrive more than they have. If you have confidence and you want to make better yourself, it's an issue. Them want to hold you down. Them not believe say you're supposed to thrive. You're coming afar. Mind you know, you have some of them, you know, where they've been through stress, the struggles, and just because they are in a better position today, they feel like they've arrived, right? And a lot of them been here for 10, 30, 50 years, and they haven't done absolutely dog shit. And for you to come here as a young girl, a young boy, young girl, young man, and say, yo, you're gonna match up your thing, them have a problem with that. Them not believe say you for come here and do better than them. The first thing them are gonna talk about immigration is immigration that. Uno banya? Me ask you if uno banya. Uno come here and you get look at status and then not go like sound better than the others of people them. Like uno no immigrant. Pray for the people them man and pray say God work out things to them man and stop a wish bad for people. Uno no dirty heart. That's why uno can't climb and reach one certain level because every minute uno wish bad for people. And you know, look, say that's why you not thrive. You know, look on the fact say they are 30 or 107 years and you know own nothing of the people in the country, you know. But you're quick for point out to somebody illegal. You have social and you have passport or you have a green card and you don't own nothing in the country, absolutely nothing. But yet you hate by your other brother and sisters, them will come here and try to make better themselves. Una a demon from the pit of hell. The blood of Jesus against you, man. Pray for people, man, and pour into people. It a take note of uno. What is it taking out of you to wish well for others? Uno look a black heart. That's why uno curse. You can see somebody come through the border. You own America? Me not get it. Do you own America? Most of uno barely are working at people in country and they over here work $31,000 a year and now make no money. And then uno quick for say, oh, my tax is this. Move from here about taxes. What type of taxes? And every minute you claim exemption on the taxes for 6 months. Una are wicked. I mean, I always start about it, so una are wicked. Again, this doesn't go for everybody in the culture. And if you don't come from me, I go tell them about the mother, and I tell them right now. Me just can't understand it. Me just really can't understand it. Me not have a bad mind blood in me. If me can't help somebody, I know say, yo, me can't help somebody, me I go help them. Me not lie, you know, some of them are some ungrateful demon, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. I'm not negating that fact. I'm not. But somehow you come a foreign and then you go on like sound better than people just because you live a foreign and over here now live no life. And a bad mind people. Blessing over here for everybody. Make people get them blessing. You not fight against the people them for pagan. You not fight against the people them for make the people them thrive. You know own foreign? You come see foreign and you not go dead left foreign. Me not care if you upset. I don't care who are upset. If I upset you, good. Happy with that.
So welcome back, guys. I hope you watched that full clip. So I remember I did a similar video to this, and in that video Jamaicans abroad were complaining that their brothers and sisters at home are hating on them just because they are in the US, just because, you know, they're making good money. I remember I did that video, and I wondered why Jamaicans at home will do that. Now here is another one. So it seems there's this, I don't know what I can call that. Is it envy or hatred? I don't know what I can call it, between Jamaicans at home and Jamaicans in America. Now we all know Jamaicans in America, they simply went there for greener pastures. It is just simple. Just an idea of somebody, you know, trying to go and figure out his life, his or her life somewhere else, which is a good thing. You know, God created us with different capabilities. Some people are smart, some people are dumb, some people are creative, some people will go to school and they'll be very smart, some people are just there. So We have different capabilities. That's why you'll see some people are able, to be creative enough to even get a job in a foreign land, and they will manage to go and do that job. But some people cannot do that. So if you're not capable of, getting that, if you're not capable of leaving Jamaica and going to America, and then the only thing you should do is wish your brothers and sisters who are there a good life. By the way, they are going through a lot. If you guys can just know, I've been doing videos of several of them. You have been seeing, if you have been following up on my videos, I think you have met several videos of them. Some of them are going through hell in these countries. They're not just happy the way you think. We always think that these people in America, they have money, they are making good money, they are living good life. But there is the other side of their life in America that they just don't tell you. Some have come out online to tell us what is happening in these countries, what they are going through, the hardship, the things that they are experiencing in these countries. But some, they just, remain silent. They just laugh at you, tell you everything is good, you are living a good life, we are making it here. But trust me, it is not always easy for them. So the idea of, black people fighting, seriously, it doesn't even make sense. It doesn't make sense. Jamaicans at home, in the comment section, I want you guys to talk to me. What is happening? Like, do you guys don't like the idea of your brothers and sisters moving to the US to try and, make it there, find greener pastures? Do you want just to stay with them at home? And we all know at home, things are always very difficult at home. In our own countries, managing to get a job, and this does not even just happen in Jamaica, also here in Africa. I've been seeing cases whereby people abroad have been complaining that, their brothers and sisters at home, are hating on them because they are making big money, they are earning, and they are living a good life abroad. So these cases are all over. So I need answers to this. Why are you guys, fighting one another? Why are you guys fighting? Because it is very surprising. Now, we all know we have one common enemy. So if that enemy see us separating, fighting, you all know what will happen. So I wonder why brothers at home, or Jamaicans at home, Africans at home, you feel bad when you see your fellow brothers and sisters making it abroad. Because this is not the first video I'm making. I made one of this video earlier, and it was just the same message. Jamaicans at home hating on Jamaicans abroad. I wonder why this is happening. Now, it has been said, I heard that when a Jamaican leaves home and goes to America, that is the end of him or her. Some of them, they never come back. So when they go there and find greener pastures, get good jobs, they never come back. I don't know if that is true, but at some point I've been seeing Jamaicans abroad, they stay until they get old. It's when now they come home and they invest home and they start staying home. So maybe that is another reason why Jamaicans, at home are always on toast with their brothers and sisters in America. Because when you guys go to America, you don't come back home. And I like how that guy has explained in that video that if you go to America, go get rich, come back home, rebuild back home with your brothers and sisters. Because Jamaica needs you. Bring this money home. The money that you've earned in these foreign lands, bring their money back home. Use that money with your brothers and sisters. It's a very good idea, by the way. Go there, make money, come back. I think that's a very great idea. I don't know what you guys think about that. But the idea of you just going there, making money, and just decide to stay there forever, and you leave your beautiful Jamaica to rebuild on its own. Who do you want to build? Who are the people that you want to build Jamaica? Because Jamaica is yours. Jamaica is for all of you. So you guys should go there, make money, and come back to rebuild this beautiful Jamaica. So that's some advice to that. But I need to listen. I need to hear you guys tell me why there's this hatred between Jamaicans back at home and Jamaicans in diaspora. What is really happening, guys? In the comment section, I need you guys to tell me. So thank you for watching this video. Until my next video, peace out.